Hi everybody, Silver Unicorn here, coming at you with a quick mail call. Intaglioment. So, might know some of these names, and I met all these people in Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering, Funds live streams. So we got Rocky Mountain Bear, Steeler Stacker, Mr. I Like to Melt Everything Under the Sun, L, VP. Let's see, we got a couple of stickers here. So I was in one of his live streams and he had a damaged coin, 96 ASE I think, and I bought that, and he went ahead and sent everything and asked me to record it because I had bought some other things, and he's the slowest shipper in the world. Scrapping, definitely slow shipper, but he makes stuff. Like I got one of these stickers because I got one of these, and there was a behind the paper fort. Dan Keller picked up one of these for me. Copper pour. And Scrapping makes the international rounds, so I wanted to pick up one of those. So we had a good excuse for slow shipping this time. So I haven't peeked. We've got bubble wrap, plenty of that. Oh, he still makes these. I'm fairly certain you can get one of these off of him. Got his sticker on the back. Arts and Crafts. Silver shot. Here. Do that real quick. So it opens up. It's just this little, looks like a little potion bottle. Keep it away from your kids. These things are pretty cool. I keep a few coins on my desk and I have to move them every time I do these. Just a few coins. Just picked up one of these in case you guys were into this kind of stuff. But let's see what Scrappin's got here. Oh, here we go. Tape and bubble wrap. I grabbed the wrong knife for this. Yeah. So he wanted me to open this up to see what we got here. Oh, there we go. This is international round. Let's see. I'm looking at the screen so you guys can read it. Let's see. 2.66 ounces. Cool. I'll have to get a stand for that. So they go together. Copper. Nice. Oh, I got a button. Sweet. I can put that on my hat. So I'm like for real team SHTF now. Quick letter here. So I can't read it at the same time, but you can. Stable number 2, that's right. Let me see. Hollow stickers. Oh, the pinhead sticker. Number 1 of 50 pinhead stickers. See how the box? Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering, Fun, Pandora box. Did I get it right? That's an old movie. I don't watch them anymore. And here we go. So if you send in a buffalo nickel, he'll send you a sticker because he's doing a project. And he drew. Silver Unicorn, stable number 2. That's awesome. More stickers. Sweet. His mint mark, right? The year he was minted. We got a Kevin sticker. Kevin Rose Jr. He does jewelry. He's on Instagram too. Ooh, business card. Yeah, email too. He's the owner. And oh, this is from when I got ground up. He likes to put the unicorn in the grinder and turn me into glitter glue. So this is my 90% Counter-Struck Kennedy. Right there. Cool. I'll have to dig it out. We've got stuff in here. There we go. 96 American Silver Eagle. An oldie but a goodie, because I'm old. Don't pick. And another Counter-Struck. 69. So that'd be the 40%er. Sweet. I'll have to get that in there. And gold-plated quarter. Let's see, what state was this? Maryland. Perfect. That'll have to go up next to one of the other coins on my desk. Get the button out of the way. Poor button. We got a button down. And he sent me a t-shirt, which is totally awesome, but now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna show you guys a t-shirt. This is from Sticker Mule. So, there. That just popped right out. And it's a bag inside of a bag. So, let's make short work of this and not tear up. And I'll have to put this over there behind me so you guys can fast forward, and then I'll grab you and take you over there. Oh, check this out. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, you guys need to see this. Give me a second. Here, look at something pretty like unicorns and stuff. And horses and unicorns. Ooh, I'll show you that coin in a second. Spine wasn't ready for that. I picked this up a ways back. Alice in Wonderland on a Silver Eagle. Pretty cool. I'm not going to tell you. If you want to know, email me and I'll tell you the search terms to look for it. Come with me. So that's the t-shirt. Purple Skittle on a silver unicorn. That's absolutely perfect. Taste the rainbow. Wait till I wear that around town. Oh my god, Prez, that's too much. That's absolutely awesome, dude. Thank you so much. Oh, my mom, the original gangster unicorn, is gonna get a great kick out of that. Oh my god. Oh, that's great. Oh dear. That's this guy right here. Scrapping, hoarding, tinkering, fun. He does arts and crafts. And he tinkers with stuff too. When he's not telling Kellen not to melt Morgans. Or picking on the new prospect. Because I'm the quartermaster now. My little blue thing isn't up here. The 3D print that Dan Keller made. So you guys need to go check him out. I'm going to have to put his link down in the description for you or pin it in the comments. So I'll shoot this at night and then upload it in the morning. I'm going to clean all this up and go to bed because every time I talk to you, I'm a late night unicorn. It's past bedtime. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in the stream soon.